Good day, everyone. I am your Professor Frank. Today, our topic will be on marketing communication and business strategy. Marketing communication is not just about advertising. It is not just about promotion. It is about how a business sends meaning to the market. It is about how a firm positions itself. It is about how a firm competes. Business strategy answers a different question. How does the firm compete? Where does it compete? Why should customers choose it? When marketing communication aligns with business strategy, performance improves. When they're disconnected, confusion arises. Marketing communication is rooted in the communication process. Communication involves sending, receiving, and understanding information. A message is successful only when it is understood correctly. There are three basic elements: a sender, a message, a receiver. If the receiver misunderstands, communication fails. Consider a simple example. A consumer wants fried chicken. Brands such as Nando's, KFC, Mary Brown, and Texas Chicken compete for attention. Each brand sends messages. Each brand shapes perception. Each brand attempts to influence choice. This is where strategy becomes critical. A core business strategy explains how a firm competes. It defines the target market. It defines product scope. It defines competitive advantage. One well-known framework is the business model canvas developed by Alexander Osterwalder and Yves Pigneur. It explains how firms create, deliver, and capture value. Another framework is the Barringer and Ireland business model template. It contains 4 major categories. It includes 12 components. It provides a more detailed structure. The essential point is this: marketing communication must support the business model. It cannot function independently. It must reinforce strategic direction. Let us now examine key theories and concepts. The marketing mix forms the foundation: product, price, place, promotion. For many years, promotion referred to advertising, sales promotion, and personal selling. Today, the scope is wider. It includes digital marketing, social media platforms, direct marketing, public relations, sponsorships. Consumers now interact with brands through multiple channels. They do not rely on a single message source. They experience brands across platforms. This development leads to integrated marketing communication, known as IMC. IMC means coordination. All communication tools must work together. Messages must be consistent. The brand voice must be unified. If advertising claims premium quality, but pricing suggests low value, the message becomes contradictory. Consistency builds credibility. Credibility builds trust. Trust builds long-term brand equity. IMC ensures that every communication element supports a single strategic message. This includes communication to consumers. It also includes communication to channel members. Retailers and distributors must believe in the product. If they do not perceive demand, they will not promote the brand actively. Therefore, communication must address both end consumers and trade partners. Integration is not optional. It is strategic necessity. Let us now examine emerging trends. The rapid growth of the internet has transformed marketing communication. Consumers demand instant access to information. They expect convenience. They expect control. The internet allows comparison. It enables product reviews. It enables direct purchase. E-commerce continues to expand. Firms can sell directly to customers, both in consumer markets and business markets. Companies such as Samsung and Apple Incorporated integrate physical stores with online purchasing systems. This reflects alignment between digital strategy and retail presence. Digital platforms also improve measurement. Marketers can track engagement. They can measure conversion rates. They can evaluate return on investment. This increases accountability. Now consider the drivers of IMC. First, audience fragmentation. Markets are segmented. Different stakeholders require different communication approaches. Second, technological advancement. Targeted communication is now possible. Personalization is achievable. Third, demand for measurable results. Organizations require evidence of performance. Finally, consider IMC components. There are 4 primary components: marketing strategy and analysis, target marketing process, Marketing plan development. Promotional program execution. The process begins with situation analysis. A firm examines its market position. It studies competitors. It identifies strengths and weaknesses. Then it selects target markets. Not everyone is the intended customer. The marketing mix is coordinated. Product decisions align with pricing. Pricing aligns with distribution. Promotion reinforces positioning. A strategic marketing plan guides this process. It derives from overall business strategy. It provides direction for resource allocation. Let me conclude. Marketing communication shapes perception. Business strategy shapes competitive direction. When aligned, they create advantage. When misaligned, they weaken performance. As postgraduate students, you must evaluate alignment. You must question consistency. You must assess strategic coherence. Always ask, does communication reflect strategic intent? Does strategy support brand promise? If alignment exists, sustainable advantage becomes achievable. Thank you.